Today we discuss about the GATE Physics 2019 paper. Here a circular loop made of thin wire has radius 2 cm and resistance 2 ohm. It is placed perpendicular to on uniform magnetic field of magnitude B0 is this 0.01. At time t equals to 0, the field starts decaying B equals to B0 e to the power minus t by t0, where t0 is 1 second. The total charge that passes through a cross section of the wire during the decay is Q. So, the value of Q in microcoulomb can be written as what? So, due to the change of flux, an induced charge flows in the cord loop. Here this is the loop. Consider this is the loop, this is the direction of the magnetic field, and this is the R, and B equals to B0 e to the power minus t by t0. So, induced charge dq in time dt, induced charge dq in time dt is dq is equal to, here dq is equal to minus of a by r dB dt into dt. This is the induced charge dq in time dt. So, total induced charge Q equals to integration over 0 to infinity B0 A by R. This dB dt means e to the power minus t by t0 integration. So, if we take the integration, then this is minus of 1 by t0 into e to the power minus t by t0 dt. This is the dB dt integration. So, we take the integration of this dB dt. So, this equals to, we can write this equals to, here B0 pi r square divided by, as area is pi r square, divided by r t0 integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus t by t0 dt. So, now we can write this as, here this equals to, value of B0 is 0.01 into pi into r means, here this is 2 centimeter. So, this is in 2 meter, 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square divided by 2 into, here r into t0. R is 2 ohm. So, 2 into 1. T0 is 1 is given in the question. So, 2 into 1 is integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus t dt is equals to, here if we take the integration and put the limits, we have this 0.01 into pi into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square divided by 2 into 1. So, this Q equals to 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. So this equals to 2 pi microcoulomb. This means 6.28 microcoulomb. This is the total charge passed through a cross section of the wire during the decay. This is the total charge. This is the total charge. So here this is the correct answer for this question. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can contact us or WhatsApp us in this number. This is 9836793076. If you have any query or any doubt regarding this question, you can contact us or WhatsApp us in this number. This is 9836793076. So that's all for today. Thank you.